Hi everyone! Welcome back to another cooking video. And the recipe that I'll be sharing you today is chicken curry soup. Yes, that's right. So before we get started, I just wanted to do a big shout out to Homegrown for sponsoring this video. Homegrown was started by farmers with the mission to promote eating healthy, nutritious, and locally grown food. So they sell farm fresh fruits and vegetables, grocery and online market products, baking products, kakanin and sweet treats, and even chef-made meals. So their store has provided a consistent, sustainable, and a growing source of income for local farmers and small producers. And because they care, they can deliver your products right at your doorsteps. So they do same day or the next day delivery. And the best thing about them is there's no minimum order required and they accept cash on delivery. For the complete list of areas they delivered, you can check on their website. Meanwhile, let's go into our recipe and let's start with the ingredients. Chicken breast fillet, potatoes, carrots, bell peppers, green peas, parsley, tomatoes, butter, coconut milk, onions, garlic, KoKuMaro Curry, and for the garnish, Terra real vegetable chips. this video. And again, thank you so much, Homegrown, for sponsoring this video. Make sure to visit their website and check their Facebook and Instagram page for more details. And together, let's help our local farmers and small producers. And as always, please don't forget to like and share this video. As always, if you have any comments, any suggestions, or any further clarifications, make sure to drop a comment below and I'll be happy to check them out. And please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click that little bell so you will get a notification every time we upload a new video. You can also like and follow us on our Facebook page. We are also on Instagram, Twitter, and Pinterest. And for more recipe ideas, you can also visit our website, www.delishph.com. Thank you so much for watching and see you on the next video. God bless everyone. Bye! Homegrown, door-to-door, fresh from the farm delivery.
Massflex cookware and kitchenware for the love of cooking. Click the link on the description for more information.